to check-in. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy English. Today, hotel check-in English. Learn how to check in at a hotel in 3 levels. Listen and repeat. Let's go. Hotel check-in day, 11, 3 levels. Level 1, single words. Hotel, hotel. Reception, reception. Check-in, check-in. Reservation, reservation. Room, room. Key, key. Passport, passport. AD, AD. Card, card. Cash, cash. Receipt, receipt. Floor, floor. Breakfast, breakfast. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. Pool, pool. Gym, gym. Elevator, elevator. Luggage, luggage. Check out, check out. Level 2, short sentences. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. My name is John Smith. My name is John Smith. I need a room for 2 nights. I need a room for 2 nights. Can I see your passport? Can I see your passport? Here's my ID. Here's my ID. I want a room with a view. I want a room with a view. Do you have a pool? Do you have a pool? What floor is my room? What floor is my room? Can I have the key? Can I have the key? I pay by card. I pay by card. I pay by cash. I pay by cash. Can I have a receipt? Can I have a receipt? What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? Is Wi-Fi free? Is Wi-Fi free? Where's the gym? Where's the gym? Where's the elevator? Where's the elevator? Can I store my luggage? Can I store my luggage? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? I need an extra towel. I need an extra towel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Level 3, or advanced. Question and answer. Receptionist. Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. Do you have a reservation? Guest. Yes, I have a reservation under the name John Smith. Receptionist. Let me check. Yes, I see your booking. You have a room for 2 nights. May I see your passport, please? Guest. Here you are. Could I have a room with a nice view? Receptionist. Of course, I have a room on the 5th floor with a sea view. Is that okay? Guest. That sounds perfect. What time is breakfast? Receptionist. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the ground floor. Guest. Is Wi-Fi included? Receptionist. Yes, Wi-Fi is free. The password is on the key card. Guest. Great. Also, where can I store my luggage? Receptionist. You can leave your luggage at the reception. We will bring it to your room. Guest. Thank you very much. Receptionist. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Fantastic. Now you know how to check in at a hotel, practice these sentences, and speak confidently on your next trip. Subscribe and turn on notifications. See you tomorrow.